fifth class children. How are you everyone? Okay, are you ready to listen? Shall we start the today topic? Already we completed about part 2 and part 1 in our previous classes. Did you understand part 1 and part 2? Okay, I hope you understand. Now come to the today topic. Today topic we are going to today exercise, rest and proper posture. What is the today topic? Exercise, rest and proper posture. Before we are enter into our topic, once we revise the previous topics. Okay now? What is our second lesson name? Food. What is our second lesson name? Do you have any idea? Food, health and hygiene. What is our second lesson name? Food, health and hygiene. Once we revise that, what is food? What is food? One of our basic needs required for the proper growth and development of the body. Food is one of our basic needs. Food is essential for all living things need food. Food gives us energy to work. Okay na, and to grow. Required for the proper growth and development of the body. What is that is the food. Food contain all nutrients. What are nutrients? You know everyone? Nutrients. Our body needs special substances called nutrients. Nutrients divided into so many different types. What are they? They are carbohydrates or energy giving food. Why we call energy giving foods? Because carbohydrates gives us instant energy. So that's why we call energy giving food. Okay, now who need more carbohydrates? Who do more physical work? The people, they need more carbohydrates because carbohydrates gives us instant energy. Yes? Which food contain carbohydrates? Which food contain carbohydrates? Food items like bread, potato, rice and cereals contain starch and pulses also. And the next another one is the proteins. Growing children need more proteins. Why? Proteins body building food. Another name is the body building food. Proteins are the body building nutrients. Our body needs protect for repairing worn out cells and to build body tissues. So that's why growing children need more proteins. Okay now, do you understand? Once again I am telling, listen everyone. Proteins help us to grow. This is why children need more proteins. Eggs, fish, meat, cheese, peas and pulses contain proteins. Okay now, and another one is the fats. Fats, another name is the energy bank of the body. Fats also gives us energy, but we need little amount of fat. Too much fat can cause obesity. Okay now, too much fat can cause obesity. Fat gives us heat and energy also. Cheese, milk milk products. Mainly milk products contain fat items and nuts also. Groundnut, oil items. So don't eat over oil items. Okay now, don't overeat oil items. Chocolates also, burgers also. Yeah. Fats are stored in our body. Fat should be taken in limited quantity as more consumption of fat causes obesity. Look at this picture here. Anta fat ga unnadu. Look at this one. Yeah, it is caused too much carbohydrates or fat can cause obesity. And the another one is the vitamins and minerals. We need vitamins also. Vitamins and minerals are protective food. Why we call protective food? Vitamins keep our body fit and help it is resist diseases. It is help to fight diseases. Proteins and vitamins. Vitamins and minerals. What are vitamins? A vitamin, B vitamin, C vitamin, D, E and K are some of the vitamins our body needs. Which food contain vitamins? Fresh fruits and vegetables and eggs and fishes are good source of vitamins. And minerals are iodine, sodium, potassium, calcium. We need more calcium. It is help us to formation of our bones. Okay, now calcium, teeth and our bones have calcium. And next, Some are important minerals required by our body. Milk, green leaf. Which food contain minerals? Green leafy vegetables. Rosal leaf gives us iron. You know rosal leaf? Gongura. Milk, green leafy vegetables and fruits are rich sources of minerals. And another one is the raw gauge. It is helper to digestion. Food that we get from plants contain. It is only from plants. Fibers are raw gauge. Like we eat raw carrot with cooking or without cooking, or we eat without cooking. Yes, without. Why? Carrot, beetroot and cucumber also some members they eat, and ladies finger directly we eat it. Our body cannot digest ragesh. Ragesh help the body to get rid of undigested food. And another one is the water. Water plays a very important role in the proper digestion. We can't live without water. Yes. Our food and growth of our body. Our body releases water in the form of two ways: sweat and urine. Yes. And this water must be replaced by more water. Every day we drink plenty water and 8 glasses of water. You know 8 glasses equal to 2 liters of water. Must ensure it is depend on your age and body. Must ensure you drink 8 glasses of water daily. And it is water helps to regulate our body temperature also. And now come to today's topic. What is the exercise? It is part 3. What is the part number 3? What is exercise? Rest and proper posture are also required. Rest and proper posture are also required. Exercise makes us happy and healthy. Balanced diet over. I forgot this one. Oh, sorry, I forgot this one. Balanced diet also. What is balanced diet? The food with all essential nutrients in right proportion is called balanced diet. And it is the third part, exercise. Exercise makes us healthy and fit. Makes us happy and healthy. In addition to nutritious food, our body also needs regular exercise. Do you know? Our body needs regular exercise. Anybody do? Anybody do it? No. Enough rest and proper posture to be fit and healthy. Posture means what? You walk with straightly. Okay, na? Don't do bend. Don't bend. You walk straightly. And the next exercise. It is the first topic in the first subtopic in the third part. Exercise keeps our body in good health and shape. It gives good shape to our body and make us healthy also. It increases the flow of blood to the muscles and keeps us fit and energy. What is the another function of exercise? It is increase the flow of blood circulation. Blood circulation improves and the muscles keep fit ga unchutundi. You know everyone? First day exercise చేస్తే మన బాడీ ఫిట్ మజిల్స్ పెయిన్స్ వస్తాయా? ఈ కంటిన్యూస్ గా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అలవాటు అయిపోతుంది. మీ మజిల్స్ బాగా ఫిట్ గా అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే? అండ్ ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా and keeps us fit and energetic. It also improves our internal process like breathing, blood circulation, digestion and other physical process. And children need exercise. Why? And children need exercise. Why? More so that their body will grow and develop correctly. So your growing children, you need exercise. Must should every day do exercise because it is good for your health. Your body will grow, develop correctly. Correct ga proper ga develop avutundi మీ body and muscles, and it is make health and happy, makes us healthy and happy. Do you understand? Look at these pictures. Here this girl exercise makes us happy and healthy. This girl doing exercise. And here. And proper exercise, rest and hygiene keep us healthy. And the next, another one is the rest. What is that? Rest. Do you understand exercise topic? So today onwards everyone should do exercise. In morning or evening. Or walking or you know. And the next one is the rest. What is rest? What is rest? What happens if the body does not have rest after working hard? మన బాడీ కరెక్ట్గా రెస్ట్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశాక రెస్ట్ లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? You feel very tired, yes, uneasy, feel very sick, okay na? Rest is also as important as the food and exercise. It is also very important to our body. Exercise and food alago, rest also very important to us. Why? Because our body get tired after doing work. Our body get tired after doing work. Hard work chesaka ela untundi manaki? Doing work to feel refreshed and energetic again. So after if you take rest after refreshed and energetic day, ఎలా ఉంటారు? రెస్ట్ తీసుకున్నాక చాలా హ్యాపీగా హెల్తీగా రీఫ్రెష్గా అనిపిస్తుందా మీ బాడీ? మెంటల్గా ఆర్ ఫిజికల్గా? mentally and physically. So we must take proper rest and sleep. Every day you sleep 8 hours. How many hours? 8 hours. It is before 9 o'clock or after 5 o'clock. Next is a sound sleep refreshes the body and mind. Sound sleep, it helps in keeping our mind and body healthy and rebuild our muscles. It is help us to keeping our mind and our body healthy and rebuild our muscles. Mana body muscles rebuild avvadaniki and manam refresh avvadaniki mana mind or physical ga we need rest. Need or no need? Need or? Good. Look at here. This boy sleeping. Yes. Next is the proper posture. What is the next topic? Proper posture. I forgot this, Nana. Don't watch TV before going to bed. Okay, na? Or mobiles also. Don't watch TV and mobiles before going to bed. It is very important to you. Anybody watching? No, don't watch anyone before going to bed. It is good for your health. And the another topic is the proper posture. Posture is the position in which we set our body while sitting, standing or moving. It is the posture. We walk with straightly and while sitting, standing or moving, we set our body. Proper posture not only improves circulation and digestion. Proper ga nadavadam kaani and sit avadam kaani, it is not only improves circulation, blood circulate avadamu and digestion ki matrame kaadu, but also helps to relieve the muscles and joints. In case me proper ga కూర్చోలేకపోయినా, for example traveling time, your body feel very painful. Yes, because proper ga sit అవ్వకపోవడం వల్ల. అవునా కదా? Incorrect posture causes pain and stiffness in the body. While standing or sitting, keep your back straight. Lean forward while riding. Puts pressure on the back. Look at this picture. This person walk with straight. Yes? Walk straight. Hold your head high and keep your back straight while walking. That like. And the next, here sit this boy. Keep your back straight while reading. In reading time or writing time, how do you sit? Back straight while reading. In reading time or writing time. And the walking time, hold your head high and keep your back straight while walking. Okay, na? Hold your head and keep this line high and keep your back straight. You walk this line and sit this line. Okay, na? Do you understand this topic? Today what we discuss? What we discussed today? Exercise, rest and proper posture. It is the 3 topics today we discussed about these topics. And another one is the concept check. Just true or false. What are they? True or false. A person can be said healthy if he is physically well only. Once again I am telling, listen carefully. A person can be said healthy if he is physically well only. Itanu only physical ga baunte maatrame healthy ga unnata. Say yes or no? A person only can be only healthy physically only, no, mentally also, physically and mentally. Okay na? So that is false. Once again listen, a person can be said healthy అని చెప్పినప్పుడు only physically ఉంటే okay na? No, physically and mentally. So it is false. A meal containing a large quantity of food with a single vegetable is healthy. Every day we eat different types of curries. Now, daily only one type of vegetable? No, a meal contains a large quantity of food with a single vegetable, not many vegetables. So it is also false. And third one is the rest provides freshness and makes us energetic. Rest provides, yes, our body rest. Also rest is very important to our body because our body to feel refreshed and energetic again after rest. So it is provide freshness and makes us energetic. It is true. Answer is true. And exercise increase the flow of blood in the muscles to keep us fit. Yes, yes, increase the flow of blood and circulation, blood circulation and the muscles fit ga unchadaniki. At the same happy, it is makes us happy and healthy. So that it is also true. Okay now, once again I am telling true or false. A person can be said healthy if he is physically well only. It is false. Physically and mentally also. A meal containing a large quantity of food with a single vegetable is healthy. It is also false. Rest provides freshness and makes us energetic. It is true. Exercise increase the flow of blood to the muscles and keep us fit. So it is true. Okay na? And now coming to the short answers. Answer the following questions in short only. What is balanced diet? Just I am saying. You have any notebooks? You have notebooks? I am saying you write on the notebooks. What is balanced? What is a balanced diet? First question is the what is a balanced diet? Now I am saying answer. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportion. It is balanced diet. Once again I am telling a diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportion. Or another answer also there. Or food containing all the nutrients in proper amount. Food contain all the nutrients in proper amount. It is the answer. Two answers is there. As you are wish edaina rayachu. A diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportion. It is a balanced diet. Or food containing all the nutrients in proper amount. It is the first question answer. And another question is the how does Ragesh help us? Ela help avutundi Ragesh? Ragesh help us to the body to get rid of undigested food. Ragesh help us to the body. Help us to the body to get rid of undigested food. Do you understand what? How does Ragesh help us? Ragesh help us to the body to get rid of undigested food. It is the second answer. And third one is name some sources of vitamins. So many vitamins is there. So many sources of is there. Fresh fruits and vegetables, eggs and fish are good sources of vitamins. Name some sources of vitamins. What are they? Fresh fruits and vegetables, eggs and fish are good sources of vitamin. And fourth question is the why do young children need to exercise more? Why do young children need to exercise more? Endukani young children kavali? Why young children need exercise more? Why? Because so that their body will grow and develop correctly. Exercise use that muscles of the body and makes them stronger. Young children need more exercise, more so that their body will grow and develop correctly. It is the fourth question answer. Once again I am saying why do young children need to exercise more? Exercise uses that muscles of the body and makes them stronger. Young children need more exercise, more so that their body will grow and develop correctly. It is the fourth question answer. Do you understand this topic? Okay na? Good children. Tomorrow we will go to hygiene part. Okay? Thank you for listening everyone. Bye.